Molly. Today we are going to wobble while you gobble for Thanksgiving Gobble Wobble. So we're going to learn how to do the line dance, the wobble, with my favorite fowl friend, the gobble. Remember to like and subscribe to our line below. And check out everything else we do at www.adventuresindance.com. The wobble is a really fun contemporary line dance, and this is a great one for Thanksgiving. So today we're going to learn how to wobble. Our first step in the wobble will be to wobble forward. It looks like this. Wobble! Our second step is to wobble backwards or to shake a tail feather. It looks like this. Wobble, 2, 3, 4. Our third step is wobble to the left. It looks like this. Wobble, 2, 3, 4. Our fourth step is to wobble to the right. It looks like this. Wobble. Next, we have a little cha-cha in the middle. We're going to demonstrate two ways. My fowl friend will do a rock step and 3 steps in place, right foot then left foot, and I will dance it with a slip chassé. It looks like this. Rock, step, 1, 2, 3. Rock, step, and a 1, 2, 3. Our final figure is step taps, turning a quarter turn to the left to repeat the entire sequence on a new wall. It looks like this. Step, tap, step, tap, step, tap, step, tap. When you put it all together, it looks like this. Wobble, 2, 3, 4. Backle, 2, 3, 4. Leftle, 2, 3, 4. Rightle, 2, 3, 4. Rock, step, 1, 2, 3. Rock, step, 1, 2, 3. Step, tap, step, tap, step, tap, step, tap. Let's try that with music.